and flourish and fade. Then we have officiate and preside. And the last one is lubricate and grease. Okay, first of all, we'll need to see uh, the first question. Entice and repel. If you entice something, what will you do? You will kind of repel it. Okay, by repel we mean to move something away. Okay, to make something go away from a particular place. Uh, by entice, here we mean that you are in a kind of uh, liking of something. Okay, so these are like two kind of opposite words. Okay, if for example we say that entice is not repelling or enticing is not repelling, these are kind of opposite words or antonyms you can say that are given. We'll have to see that in the choices what antonyms are given to us. Germinate and sprout. But germinate means you put a seed into soil, and after a certain time, you know, a little a seedling will come out, a plant will come out. So if you germinate, there will be a sprout. There is a kind of connection into them. They are not opposing each other. They are kind of supplementing each other. If you officiate, you preside. By officiate mean you are the boss, of course. Probably if it is a meeting, you are a boss of it, and definitely you will preside it. You will start that meeting. Lubricate and grease, they are almost the same words. They are like synonym to each other. So the only option that we have is the option B, where we have two opposite words, flourish and fade. Of course, if you flourish, you do not fade. By fade, we mean moving away or giving away the color or the quality. Like we use fade normally into the color. Okay, if you have new dress, the color is quite sharp of that suit, but after a certain time, once you have washed it for some time, the color will go away. But if it is flourishing, if something is flourishing, it is full, it is complete, it is full of energy. So flourish and fade, they are opposite to each other, like entice and repel are opposite to each other. So in analogy, sometimes synonyms are given, sometimes antonyms are given. Okay, sometimes the words are given which belong to a certain class. Sometimes there are words which are part of a whole. Okay, so we say, for example, classroom is student. So student is a part of classroom. That is whole and part. We'll go into that detail of each of this analogy as well.